Hello dear students, now we are into the last section of our second chapter, components of food. We already discussed about the nutrients, then different nutrients and their functions in our body. Now we are going to and also we discussed about balanced diet. What is obesity? The condition of obesity also we discussed. Now we are going to the last section of our chapter. The section is about deficiency diseases. So what is deficiency disease? We can go through that. Some of the diseases, they are caused due to the lack of nutrients. For example, every day I am eating only carbohydrate. So other nutrients, see, protein, vitamins, fats, minerals, all are missing in my diet. So due to the lack of these nutrients, my body will feel a condition. This condition is called deficiency disease. A condition in which we feel unwell, body feel unwell is called disease. And if that disease is caused by lack of nutrients, it's called deficiency diseases. So simply deficiency diseases is the diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients in our body. See, if you are taking a balanced diet, we will get all the nutrients in equal amounts. That will keep our body very healthy. Okay, now see, take the page number 16. This is the last page in your chapter. See here, you can see some of the common diseases, and due to deficiency of which vitamin or mineral or which nutrient, it is caused also given there. So we can all of them take your page now, page number 16, and listen to me. See, vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A causes loss of vision. So such a person who have deficiency in vitamin A will be very difficult to identify the things at night. So in our eyes there is rod cells and cone cells. Two types of cells there in our eyes. Rod cells is for identifying the brightness, and cone cells are for identifying the colors, different colors. There are different colors, isn't it? To identify these colors, cone cells are used, and rod cells are for intensity or brightness of light. So with the help of these rod cells, we are able to see a very little also, little things at night. In darkness also we can see, in light, with a small light we can see some of the things. This is able because of the presence of rod cells. So actually what happens, if vitamin A is missing in our food, we'll be missing that rod cells. So we can't see at night very clearly. So that is one of the things. Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. Sometimes complete loss of vision also may be caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. So you have to take leafy vegetables in order to increase the amount of vitamin A in your body. Next one, vitamin B1. It causes disease called beriberi, that is weakness. Weak muscles and very little energy, to always feeling fatigue, shinam. Fatigue means shinam. Always feeling fatigue and doesn't have energy to do work. That is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1. Now vitamin C, it causes a disease called scurvy. Scurvy means bleeding gums. Gums, you know, the thing under the teeth. This is gum, mona. Bleeding gums. Those sometimes most of the students are getting bleeding at the time of brushing very easily. That is actually due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So if you include vitamin C, that is orange, tomato, such type of thing, tamarind, etc. These include vitamin C. If you include these things in your food, you can increase your vitamin C and overcome that. See, it also takes the wounds to take longer time to heal. If any wounds or injury we have, it takes longer time to heal this wound. Now, see, vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, that is bones become soft and bend. Some of the childs you can see bend bones. That is due to the deficiency of vitamin D. The disease caused by it is rickets. Now calcium, bone and tooth decay. That is weak bones and tooth. Bones break very frequently, and also teeth also breaks very frequently. That is less strength for bones and teeth. That is caused due to the deficiency of calcium. calcium. And next one, iodine. Iodine deficiency causes goiter. Goiter is a bulge formation, that is a swollen formation in our neck. And last one, iron. The deficiency of iron causes anemia, that means the weakness of whole body, that is due to the deficiency of iron. So read this section very well. You can expect questions from this section. Vitamin A, the deficiency of vitamin A causes which disease? Such type of questions you can expect. Already this section you studied in your 5th standard, I teach you the same thing in 5th standard too. So it will be very easy for you. See here, we studied about balanced diet, beriberi, carbohydrate, energy, fat, minerals, nutrients, protein, roughage, scurvy, starch, vitamins. So these things we already gone through these things. Make sure you understood the section well. So by this we are completing this chapter. I'll be giving works based on this chapter. See, today you need not do any work, but read the section very well from first to the last of the textbook, and the next day I will give you some work. Okay, fine. Thank you.